I'm Doreen Velin. I'm back again, and I hope you've been watching some of my videos. We're going to do something today. It's called the Crazy Poppy. Join us. I got this this canvas from a thrift shop, and I go in there and scout out the canvases, the pictures, and when you get a canvas that's good quality, you can, this is a nice quality one. The backing is really good. You can see the backing here. Look at that, beautiful backing on it. And yeah, like $6-7. So it's funny, I'll tell you a story. The lady at the cashier, she says, "Oh, these are so beautiful." I got 2 of them, by the way. And she says, "Oh, they're so beautiful. They just came in 2 days ago, and we're not allowed to buy one until it's a week. And they're just so gorgeous. Oh, you're so lucky." And she's going on and on and on. And I'm thinking to myself, I'm going to cover them. Like, I don't like them at all. I'm just going to cover them. So I didn't tell her that. So we're not going to leak that little secret. So, because this is a hawk, I think. It looks like a parakeet falcon. You guys might know more about falcons than me. But anyway, we're going to cover the sucker up. So I'm going to try to make a poppy. I know I've tried it before. I've tried it several times. I love poppies. I don't know why. I think it's because I like red. I've always been a red person. Always. Oh, my mom bought me red shoes, red patent shoes. We went down. We always used to shop in Spokane, because we're from the interior, BC. We'd go down, us ladies, 4 in a car, shopping in Spokane, Washington. Oh my gosh. And you go to the shoe store there. What was it, Penny's? Probably Penny's had it. And they used to have patent shoes, all the colors of the rainbow. Oh, I remember those days. They were so nice. I had so much fun. Wearing all these patent shoes. It was so nice. So I'm just covering it in white paint. This is just house paint. You know, I'm pretty plain Jane. I use house paint a lot. I fill my little bottles here from a dollar store, and I fill it with my own paint. So people, you know, might ask me, "What paint do you use?" Don't ask me. Don't ask me. It's house paint. So, and I didn't get a brush yet, so I still haven't got a brush. So I'm doing my hands. Oh my gosh. I should have a brush, a palette knife or a brush to do this. I don't want to waste time. Yeah, you know, when you do these videos, you know, there's a man behind a camera here, and he's, you know, having a coffee, twirling his thumbs. Come on, get out with it, girl. Get going. Don't slow me down. Let's get this video done. Do, choppy, choppy. That's what it's like behind the scenes. So I sometimes feel a little bit rushed, or not rushed, pressured. So, and you can't get rid of your videographer. You can't get rid of him, or you won't have a video. So something I have to put up with it. And he's pretty good, actually. He's not usually impatient, so I'm pretty lucky, actually. But I just like to give him a bad time sometimes. Okay, so I'm just going to give this little spin here. Actually, the spin might work. We'll see. Oop, yoop, yoop. I'll probably turn it better. Turn it up. We'll do it. There it goes. There it goes. I put a little bit more water in it this time so it flows better. This is a nice flow. This is kind of how you want it to go. See, it's not going too fast. It's not too watery. Just kind of slowly, lazy, like a lazy river. Good. Good enough for me. Okay, so you can tell I'm not, you know, a perfectionist. That's the last thing I am. Okay, I'm trying to loosen up, and that's why I do this stuff. This is great to make yourself loose and kind of just have fun. So I'm going to try to do a poppy. We're going to see what we can do here. So I'm going to try the nice deep red. I think I'll just do one poppy, maybe here, bursting, and then a nice little stem there. Well, sorry, try to see what happens. So I'm going to just put different petals. And that's one shade of there. I'm going to do some yellow. Because, you know, poppies have sometimes they have some brown from the sun, or they have orange. I'm going to do some bright red on this one. This one's going to be bright red. I do right in the middle here. I'm going to try to make this leaf overlap so it gives it some depth. I don't know if this will work, but you know, I'm trying to do like this. This leaf will go, and then these will be behind it. I'm not sure if it'll happen. But what I did to try to make it happen is I made a lighter red here. So this is a lighter red, and this is a deeper red. That red should be in front of that red if it turns out. We'll see what happens. Okay, and orange I want on the edge. Gets the sunlight on the edge. And I got another red here too. This is red. It's a nice deep red. I'll just put that red in there. Okay. I'll do black in the middle. See if it'll go in the middle there. I'll do the stem afterwards. We'll see how that goes. Okay, so now I'm just going to blow it with air. Like I said at the beginning, this is a poppy with attitude. I like this air. It's kind of fun. It does get cold though in your hand when you use it for a while. It'd be funny. You just see me doing a picture of winter gloves. You're going, what the heck? What the heck is she doing? Why don't they make red patent shoes anymore? Like, they never do colors anymore. Now everything's black, black, black. Just like cars now, they're either black or white. It's no fun anymore. I don't know. Is it because they get expensive to make now and they're trying to keep the costs down? Do they lack imagination? Maybe we have to get some artists in there making cars. Wouldn't that be cool? We'd have some fun cars. I did see a car the other day. Had like a iridescent paint job. Oh, it's gorgeous. And my husband said that there's one car company that doesn't make it that. I'm not sure. I don't know which one it is. You might like to tell me that. I'd like to know that, because I like to know everything. So here's a funny little puppy. There's a little pretty puppy. So let's just go and get a bit more red here in the dark and the deep. Where's the dark, deep, dark? This one. Let's get a bit right in here. Let's fill that space in. Okay. Need a bit more. Got a lot of white coming through. Probably because I'm blowing it too hard, eh? I would think. That's why. Let's try this. Much better. Much better. Now I've got layers happening. So this dark red here is in front of that. So that's working. Yeah. Let's do a bit in here. Even it out a little bit. Oh, it's starting to look like a poppy. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, I love it. Oh, a little bit sort of like a circus clown, I don't know. But it's a funky poppy, right? So let's just do, let's see, I need a deep, deep, deep color to do a stem. Do a stem in here. And poppies have nice big leaves, don't they? Ooh, I think I like this. This is all right. I was going to use black. So maybe I should have put it in black, but you know, I like this better. I'm not going to touch it anymore. I love this line going across. This is really cool. Just the impression of a leaf. Wow. I'm really happy with that. What about you guys? Do you like it? Let me know. It's kind of fun. My first time it's really worked out like a flower anyway. So I want to thank you. This is great. It's fast, it's easy, and just try to think of your colors. Try to get your cool colors or your softer colors at the back. Like add some white to your red. Add some, soften it a bit, the tone. Put those on your back ones. And then on your tips you can go the yellow. That's where your sunshine goes. And this is deep, deep red to put it in front. It worked out all right. I could fill this all in with red, but you know, I like it, kind of like it like that. I want to thank you for joining me today and having a lot of fun. I hope you had fun. I hope you got out some canvas and spun it around or do whatever you want with it with some color. And give me some comments. I really appreciate them. I'd like to answer you. So join me again. Stay with us. Press that subscribe button. That's really, really important. I really need you to subscribe to me. And I need your comments. It just spurs me on. It gives me hope. So thank you.